Next, we need to cover one of the key parts of the curriculum as well, which is identifying supported workloads on Azure. And we'll start with the Windows ecosystem. If we look at the OSs first of all, and we look at pre-Windows 2008 R2, so these are things like Windows 2003, they are supported for deployment. However, you must bring your own image, and there's no marketplace support at all. And you also need to have your own custom support agreement. Microsoft's not going to give you any type of support for Windows 2003, via Azure. When we get to Windows 2008 R2, that is supported. However, there's a specific support matrix for server roles that you want to check. So just because Windows Server 2008 R2 is the OS is supported, you do need to check the matrix of server roles that you're going to install on top of the server and check that those are supported. Things like Windows Server 2012 supported. There's actually a data center version in the marketplace. Windows Server 2016 is supported. There's a data center and a nano version in the marketplace. And for desktop OSs, those are supported for Windows 10 Pro and Enterprise, which are available in the marketplace. And there's another link here that's very, very useful. And if you click on this one, it'll actually also give you details of other Microsoft Server software that's supported on Azure. So it goes beyond just the operating system. And if we scroll down a little bit on this web page, we can see here things like Microsoft BizTalk Server, Microsoft Dynamics CRM. So within the Microsoft ecosystem, Dynamics CRM as an example, 2013 and later versions are supported, and they list these for a whole host of things. It's very common to run Exchange, which is supported again for 2013 and later if you're not using Exchange Online, and there's some other options here as well. So this link will give you any other information you need around the specific workloads that are supported. But for now, at least for the curriculum of the exam, you may get asked on these variations, but for the most part, I'd say just revise the operating systems and you should be good to go. As far as Linux supported distributions go, all the major ones are pretty much accounted for here. So we have CentOS, Debian, Oracle Linux, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, SUSE Linux, etc. And another link here you can go to if you need to check, what Linux distributions are endorsed. If we hit this link here, we can see it takes us to this page, and all of the current supported Linux distributions are here. So currently for Red Hat, it's 6.7 plus and 7.1 plus, so I try to remember those. CentOS 6.3, 7.0, and SUSE 11 and 12 are supported as well.